There's No Place Like Space, all about our solar system, by Tish Raby and illustrated by Aristides Ruiz. I'm the Cat in the Hat, and we're off to have fun. We'll visit the planets, the stars, and the sun. There's no place like space. I will prove it to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do. Jump in. Here we go. We will fly up so high we can dance on the moon and play games in the sky. We will swing past the stars, and in case you have missed them, soon you'll see the planets in our solar system. There are 9 of these planets that circle the sun, and soon you'll be able to name every one. Mercury's close to the sun's burning light. It's hot in the daytime, but freezing at night. On Venus, the weather is always the same. Hot, dry, and windy with no chance of rain. Can you guess the next planet? Well, here's a clue. It's my home, and home to thing 1 and thing 2. You have been living on it every day since your birth. It's the 3rd from the sun. It's our planet Earth. It spins all the time, round and round like a top. It turns once every day, and it never will stop. This question had thing 1 and thing 2 in a tizzy. If the Earth's always spinning, why don't we feel dizzy? We don't feel the Earth as it spins on its way because we're spinning right with it, right now, every day. Next, here is Mars. It's the color of rust. We sneeze here because it's covered in dust. Travel to Jupiter and you will find it's bigger than all the other planets combined. Saturn has rings. It's so light, who would think it could float in an ocean and not even sink? A planet can have satellites around it. Uranus has lots of these objects around it. There are colors in space. I will show some to you. Neptune, you see, is a beautiful blue. If you lived on Pluto, it would not be so nice. Some astronomers think it's covered in ice. It's chilly and cold every night and all day, for the sun's just a speck in the sky far away. An astronomer studies what's up in the sky. Thing 2 wants to be one. In fact, so do I. Some scientists now say that Pluto isn't really a planet. We have seen all 9 planets. Now here is a trick to remember their names and remember them quick. Say Mallory, Valerie, Emily, Metzas just served us 999 pizzas. The first letter of each of these words is the same as the first letter in each of the planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Now here is a game you can play in the skies. Connect all the stars you see with your eyes. It's star dot to dot. Use your imaginations and you'll see big pictures we call constellations. Great Dog, Great Bear, Orion, the Bull, Lion. A star in the sky may look small like a dot, but it's really a big glowing ball and it's hot. And there's one star by far that's our favorite one. We can't live without it, the star called the sun. From Earth it looks big. There is one reason why. It's the closest to Earth of all the stars in the sky. But be careful, never look right at the sun. Your eyes would get hurt and that would not be fun. How big is the sun? We just heard right this minute, 1,000,000 of our Earths could fit right in it. Oh, look at the time. We must go very soon. But first we must take a quick look at the moon. The moon does not shine in the sky in the night, but like a big mirror, reflects the sun's light. The universe is a mysterious place. We are only just learning what happens in space. So I brought you a present to look in the sky. Just put this telescope up to your eye. Oh dear, I must go fly up, back up to the stars to take things 1 and 2 out to dinner on Mars. But there's lots to discover, and it might be you who looks up in the sky and finds something that's new. Do you ever go outside at night and look up at the stars? Maybe you too could find something new. Thanks for listening. See you next time.